Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to find people you know on OnlyFans. If you're looking out for someone you know on OnlyFans, whether they have an OnlyFans account or not, you can simply go ahead and follow the steps till the end. Simply go ahead and open the OnlyFans application from your app drawer. You can also log into onlyfans.com on a web browser. Once you're inside the main homepage, tap on the search icon at the top right corner. Now, with the help of the search bar, enter the name of the person you are looking for and search. Now in the search result, scroll through and find the one you are looking for. Tap on their name and open up their profile. So that is how you will be able to search for someone you know on OnlyFans. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.